friends, imagine that you're in a situation where you have to eat a frog every day. You can eat the frog at any time of the day, but you have no option, you have to eat it. Now tell me, what time will you eat that frog? The author of the book, Brian Tracy, says that he will eat the frog in the morning because if he completes this difficult task in the morning, whole day he will be relaxed. This example of eating a frog, what it referred to? It refers to all our difficult and most important tasks which we have to complete every day. Everyone has got some or the other important task to be completed in their day-to-day life. Many of us say to ourselves, it is such a difficult task. I will do it in the afternoon or evening, or maybe in the night. I will remain awake and complete it. In this way, we procrastinate our works. Procrastination is something that we know that we have to eat that frog, but we postpone it for later. By doing like this, our stress level increases. Time gets wasted, but the work doesn't get completed. Now you must be thinking, why should we complete the difficult task in the morning? Morning is the time when we have more willpower. Even the difficult task can be completed easily. Have you ever noticed when we complete a difficult task, we feel more happy and relaxed? You know why? When we complete the task, our brain releases endorphin, which makes us feel happy. We should try to use this relaxed feeling as a positive addiction and form a habit. Because of this positive habit, every time when we complete our task, our confidence level increases. Now I am going to tell you some practical methods from the book Eat That Frog, written by Brian Tracy. Using these practical methods, you can manage your time and achieve your goal. Principle number 1. Setting the table. When we don't have clarity in our task, we don't start the work and keep it for later. Before we start any work, if we know clearly what we have to do, our work will be productive. To be successful in life, we should have clarity in our goals. Here the author is giving us 7 steps to achieve our goals. Step 1. Decide exactly what you want. Fix your targets in all the aspects of life, like health, wealth, and happiness. Be clear in your goals and targets. Step 2. Think on a paper. Only 5% of the people write their goals in a paper or book. People who write their goals and targets have high possibility of achieving their goals. It is difficult for our brain to remember everything, but it is easy to create ideas. So write your creative ideas and goals in a notebook, then form it as a habit. Step 3. Make deadlines. Whatever goals you have written in step number 2, give a deadline to those goals. It is important to give a deadline to our goals. When we don't have a target, we procrastinate and do not focus to complete the task. Step 4. Make a list. Make a list of all the works to be completed to achieve your goals. How to prepare the list, I will explain in the next principle. Step 5. Organize a list and make a plan. From your list of works, make a simple plan to organize your works and how to achieve them. Step 6. Take action on your plan. According to your plan, start taking actions immediately. Do not say I will start later, because finally your actions will complete your work, not your plan. Step 7. Do things every day that makes you move towards your goal. If you have a task to be completed by this month end, then start taking small actions every day and form it as a habit so that you do it regularly. These are the 7 steps which will guide you in setting your goals. Now principle number 2. Plan every day in advance. In the time management process, there is an important formula to be followed, which is called as 6P formula. It includes Proper prior planning prevents poor performance. If we don't know what we have to do, we will be confused and we keep that work on hold and don't complete it. Before starting your work, if you take time and plan it, you can save a lot of time. You can also complete your work on time without any difficulty. Now let us prepare a list of actions. As I have told in the 7-step procedure, make a list of actions. Let us prepare 4 lists. First one is master list. In your master list, write down your lifetime goals or the goals which you want to achieve in 5 or 10 years or maybe in a year. Second is monthly list. Write down all the works to be completed in a month. With your monthly list, add a small step to achieve your main goal. Third is weekly list. Write down all the works to be completed in a week. The works in your weekly list should guide you to achieve your monthly goals. Fourth one is daily list. The works you do daily should help you to achieve your weekly goals. Every day try to take small actions to achieve your weekly goal. There is nothing called overnight success. Your lifetime goals are in your master list. If you write only master list, you may feel it is impossible or it is very difficult. But if you break it into small actions and bring it to your daily plan, you will be clear in your actions and it will indirectly help you to achieve your goal. According to your daily plan, prepare a small action plan in the previous night before going to bed. Then only you will be ready to eat your frog in the morning. Principle number 3. ABCDE technique. It is a simple technique to use our time wisely. From your daily plan, prioritize your works into A, B, C, D, E. Highest priority work should be A. If you don't do a particular work today, you will have to face lot of problems. That will be under A. Next will be important works to be completed. If you don't do this work, you may have to face problems. That will be under B. Under C, it is good if you do this work, but if you do not do this work, you won't face any problem. Under D, not that important, we can ask someone else to do that work. E will be least priority work. You can neglect or skip this work. When you categorize your work, you can complete your target, your highest priority work in the morning. If you follow all these principles, you can manage your time well. All these principles are written in the book Eat That Frog. At the end of the video, what I want to tell you is, the name of the book inspired me to read. I have not yet prepared any master list, but every day night I prepare my to-do list for next day so that I complete all my work without fail. If you prepare your to-do list for the day, comment yes. If not, then type frog. Also share your views and opinions in the comment section. If you want to buy this book, I have given the Amazon link in the description. Kindly check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the art of learning.